Imagine spending 9 months in space, floating in microgravity, working aboard the International Space Station, and experiencing weightlessness every day. But what happens when astronauts finally return to Earth? How does space change the human body? In this video, we explore the incredible journey of NASA astronauts Sunita Williams and Barry Wilmore, their extended mission, and the challenges they faced upon re-entry. In early 2024, NASA launched Williams and Wilmore aboard the Boeing Starliner spacecraft to the ISS. They were originally scheduled for a short mission, but due to technical issues, they ended up staying for 9 months. This extended period in space gave scientists a rare opportunity to study the long-term effects of microgravity on the human body. After spending nearly a year in microgravity, Williams and Wilmore finally returned to Earth. But stepping back onto solid ground isn't easy. Gravity suddenly feels stronger, and astronauts often experience dizziness, nausea, and muscle weakness as their bodies readjust. Muscle and bone loss. One of the biggest challenges of space travel is muscle atrophy and bone loss. Without gravity, bones lose density and muscles shrink, making astronauts weaker. That's why they must exercise for 2 hours every day using resistance machines to maintain their strength. Fluid shifts and puffy faces. In space, bodily fluids move upward due to the lack of gravity, causing swollen faces and thinner legs. This fluid shift can also increase pressure inside the skull, affecting vision and brain function, a condition known as spaceflight-associated neuroocular syndrome, or SANS. Radiation exposure. Outside Earth's protective atmosphere, astronauts are exposed to high levels of cosmic radiation. This increases their risk of DNA damage, cancer, and cognitive decline over time. Scientists are developing better shielding and medical countermeasures to reduce these risks for future deep space missions. Psychological effects. Spending months in a confined space with limited contact with family can take a toll on mental health. Astronauts experience stress, sleep disruptions, and isolation. NASA uses strict schedules, virtual reality therapy, and communication with loved ones to help maintain their mental well-being. Recovery after long-duration space travel is a slow process. Astronauts undergo physical therapy to regain muscle strength, bone density tests to check for osteoporosis, cognitive tests to study brain function, medical monitoring to track long-term health effects. It can take weeks or even months for astronauts to fully regain their strength and balance. Understanding how space affects the human body is crucial for future space missions. As we prepare for deep space travel and missions to Mars, scientists must develop ways to protect astronauts from muscle loss, radiation, and mental health challenges. Could we ever live and thrive in space long-term? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more space exploration content. See you in the next video.